English breakfast is a staple breakfast dish which is a sort of comfort food for the weekend. It is typically served with tea but also coffee and freshly squeezed orange juice. English breakfast is a dish that consists of a number of components such as eggs, sausages, baked beans, fried tomatoes, and many more. This can vary depending on where are you in. Hello viewers, myself Shuparna. Welcome to Simply Food. Before I start this video, please go and click the subscribe button and press the bell icon. I am serving today baked beans, homemade chicken sausages, hash brown, fried tomato, sautéed vegetables, sunny side up egg, black coffee, orange juice, and toasted bread. First, I am going to make baked beans. Quick and easy, very economical and utterly addictive. Into a pan, first add 2 teaspoons of oil. You can use olive oil, but I am using white oil. Now add 2 medium-sized chopped onion. Fry the onion until they change their color. Do not put the flame very high, otherwise the onion can burn. Onions are nicely translucent. Add half teaspoon of garlic paste, half teaspoon of ginger paste. Fry them little. You can add chopped garlic also instead of garlic paste. Now add tomato puree. I use 2 large sized tomato to make the puree. Cook the tomato puree with the onion for 2 to 3 minutes. From the fresh tomato puree can't get the vibrant and glossy color. I'll add 2 teaspoons of paprika to add color. Now add 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs, salt to taste and half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Give a good mix. These baked beans can be made with dried or canned beans. Dried beans are perfect for baked beans. Soak the dried beans for enough time. This will help them soften and cook faster. This dish is not baked, instead of it is made on stovetop. Add 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup, 1 teaspoon of vinegar to add the acidity. Now mix them all. This is a fully vegetarian dish and it is very easy and saucy side dish for your meal. How simple it is and how much tastier it is, you got to know after you try this recipe. Now time to add 100 gram of pre-boiled white beans. I first soak the beans for overnight and boil the beans for 10 to 15 minutes. Don't whistle them. And one more thing, cook the beans on low flame. Give a stir. Cook for 15 minutes on simmer. At this time, give a taste to check the seasoning. After 15 minutes, open the lid. It's nicely taken. If you want a runny consistency, add more water. It's not too runny nor dry. Just have your toast and put this delectable baked beans over the toast and have a yummy good bite. Now I am going to make sautéed vegetables. It's very easy and one of my most favorite soul food. First, into pan, add 2 teaspoons of white oil. You can add butter. I'll add half teaspoon of butter. Now add 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic. Saute them little. Now add broccoli, carrot and green beans. Cut the vegetables into big pieces. Do not fry them for longer. Saute them. You can definitely add your own favorite vegetables. You can add zucchini, bell peppers and even cauliflower. This is super healthy, tasty and makes a great fresh vegetable side. Add salt to taste and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of oregano. Cook until the vegetables are tender and starting to turn golden brown. It would take approximately 8 to 10 minutes and sautéed vegetables is ready. These sautéed vegetables are beautifully colored, bursting with flavor and crisp, tender in texture. Hash brown is a popular breakfast dish consisting of finely chopped potatoes that have been fried until they are brown. First, take grated potato into a bowl. Add 1 large egg into the bowl. Salt to taste. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder and half teaspoon of mixed herbs. Now mix them all. I peel the potatoes and shred them and directly soak them in a large bowl of cold water to remove surface starch. I soak them for 30 minutes. Then I drain the water and squeeze out the potato and transfer to a saver. When you mix them, keep ready your oil. It will start to release the water, and if you think that the mixture is little moist or watery, add cornstarch or flour. Into the hot oil, place a spoonful of mixture and give a shape. Fry them for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, turn them to the other side. Their nicely fried hash brown is ready. Now I'm going to fry the sausages. Sausages are a meat product usually made from ground meat, often pork, beef or poultry, along with salt, spices and other flavorings. Add some oil into a pan. Place the sausages to the oil. These are homemade chicken sausages. I'll give the link of homemade chicken sausages making in the description box. Please check them out. Fry the sausages for 3 to 4 minutes. They will be little brown. Sausages are ready. Now I'm going to make roasted tomato. Roasted tomatoes are an easy and delicious side dish. Into the butter, place the tomatoes. I cut them into half. I use large tomatoes to make this roasted tomatoes. Sprinkle salt and pepper one side. Fry for 4 minutes. Fresh tomatoes are toasted with butter and seasoned. You can also make them puree to make the pasta. They are healthy, fresh and full of flavor. Turn them to the other side and also sprinkle some salt and pepper on this side too. Fry for another 3 to 4 minutes and roasted tomato is ready to serve. Now I am going to fry the egg. In a pan, add 1 teaspoon of white oil. Now break an egg into the oil. Temperature should be low to medium. It doesn't require high temperature. Season with salt and pepper. It would take 2 to 3 minutes. Sunny side up, egg is ready. I also serve toasted bread, black coffee and orange juice in this breakfast recipe. English breakfast is totally ready and served. We really enjoy to make them for you guys. These are super healthy and nutritious too. Hope you all like this video. Please hit the like button after watching the video. Do subscribe to our channel and share our videos with your family and friends. Leave your comments in the comment section. We really like to read them. Thanks. Bye.